Welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rafi. Today videos is very important. In this video, we will talk about 10 top SEO tools for YouTube videos. So why SEO is important? SEO for YouTube is important because it helps your videos rank higher in search results, making them more discoverable to potential viewers. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords can increase visibility and attract more organic traffic. Good SEO can also improve the likelihood of your videos being recommended by YouTube's algorithm, leading to increased views and engagement. Additionally, effective SEO can help build a loyal subscriber base and enhance the overall performance and success of your YouTube channel. So let's discuss these tools. Number 1. YouTube Keyword Tool. This tool helps you find the best keywords for your video titles and descriptions. Number 2. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that helps you optimize your YouTube videos for SEO. Number 3. vidIQ. vidIQ is a YouTube SEO tool that provides data-driven insights to help you optimize your videos for maximum views and engagement. Number 4. Google Trends. Google Trends helps you find trending topics and keywords related to your niche. Number 5. Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that helps you create eye-catching thumbnails for your videos. Number 6. Social Blade. Social Blade provides analytics for YouTube channels, including subscriber growth, views, and engagement. Number 7. YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics provides data on your channel's performance, including views, watch time, and engagement. Number 8. Keyword Tool. Keyword Tool helps you find long-tail keywords for your video titles and descriptions. Number 9. Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a powerful SEO tool that provides data on backlinks, keywords, and competitors. Number 10. Google Search Console. Google Search Console helps you track your website's performance in Google search results, including YouTube videos.